David Rabantos. Today is 8th of October of 2019. This is my 8th day on a hunger strike for the independence of Catalonia. I pass you the first page in today's newspaper. Now we're going for the ceremony of wedding myself. As I think I mentioned before, this is not tremendously relevant because a doctor is monitoring my way. There's another precision scale. There's 100 grams difference between all the versions, but that's not tremendously relevant. The 7th day yesterday was important because we spoke with members of government of Catalonia, with lots of members of parliament. We gave lots of flyers to journalists and politicians. A deputy in the Catalan parliament came to speak with us, sincerely it seems. And 2 articles appeared in 2 digital newspapers. So it was a good day. The team was magnificent, 12 people supporting me. It was great. For today we're gonna be in law school for 3 hours, which is where all this started, and in the afternoon I'll be a father and I'll participate in a small panel in a local radio. Important Thursday will be 3 hours in front of Catalana Radio, which is the main radio station, the main public radio station, to put pressure so they finally talk about the hunger strike and they finally broadcast the live documentary of the truth, which has been seen by more than 32,000 people in a bit more than 6 days in YouTube. And basically I'm enduring attacks from unionists wishing me to die, or some people who are really independentists that they say there's other ways to do this. Well, there's other ways, but if you haven't tried for 6 years like we've been trying, first with Gerard and me, and then later with the rest of the team, you really cannot judge what other ways there is. But on top of that, we know there's other ways. We've set up a political party, Director 68. We've done a documentary which will change history in Catalonia. We have the book called Betrayal of Independence. And we have a radio station, Radio Adrian, with 115 programs. And we do conferences in different villages and cities. And we do a hunger strike. So saying that there's other things, it means that either you're ignoring the other things we're doing, or somebody's making you ignore this. We're gonna win this, we're gonna make independence, and we're gonna install new values or recover old values in people, so somebody is not wishing somebody else to die just because his ideas are different. So we are gonna win this. Visca Catalunya de nou lliure!